want to do. So we should do that one.
Okay.
But every 90 days, you have to come through and do the test on this.
Okay. So this is like our sampling where we send it in by mail.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you actually have to submit this? That's another
Well,
test.
that's
There's two
another
tests.
test. That's an air test.
I used to do those.
So
I can't
the
remember.
air test is this one that he's talking about. Is right in here.
That's
Are
why I was
those
whipping that
good
out.
one kits?
I'm not sure.
Okay. So turn that thing off right now. So what we have to do is
Perfect soundtrack for your movie.
yeah, we have to turn these bottles on.
Really? No.
Did you change something?
Oh, there we go. All right. So I've lifted both of these bottles up.
If you want to get in there, you can record more better. So I know what I can play with.
So would you lift up?
And this is open,
Oh, okay.
and that's closed. We have to lift both of them up
Okay.
to get them ready. And we are getting low on juice.
You want me to put a flashlight over here?
Okay.
You need a big softbox and an umbrella, please.
Then I'm looking for my code. The code is 7654. Turn this on. Go to the menu. You go to calibrate now.
One of you guys put.
It's number 2.
Did one of you guys put a pack over on top of some bags?
No.
So this one hasn't been changed out yet.
I haven't done anything. I put one in the ramps. Check out the batteries.
There's usually 2 in those ramps, aren't there? They were both.
That thing's been messed with a lot. I have no idea.
Menu. 2. What's my number? 7654. Right?
So is this the new washing thing? Really high pressure, huh?
I'm doing something wrong. Craig, you make me nervous.
Impossible.
I'll be happy to step through this one more time once I get it. Okay. So press the menu button. Punch in. Oh. Okay.
Punch in code
All right. So I go out. Press the menu button. Punch in code.
7654
6
and then enter.
5 4. Enter. Then press.
And then press 2
2 to calibrate.
per
Press-
6 3
Turn on bottles. So it tells you to turn on the bottles. Then you say press 1. It's telling you what to do here. Then it says press 9 to calibrate. And then it starts going through. It'll take the gas
Gotcha.
and go up through. And
It
so
says 30 minutes. What's this? Turn it on.
well,
wait 30 minutes.
all right, that's kind of bogus. At one point, it had it so that if you did it wrong, you had to wait 30 minutes.
Oh,
But
to
that's not
cycle it.
correct.
Okay.
I've made enough mistakes that
You know.
yeah. So this 30 minutes, the 30-minute note in here is not accurate. You can run down through this, but the key
cross it
is
out, or-
yeah, cross it out. The key is to hit the menu button, then type in 7654, press enter, then 2, and you can look at the menu on here. You do 2, and then actually there's a 1 and a 9.
Oh,
But-
okay.
But it's all menu driven once you get.
And that's all you have to do, right?
Yeah.
Until
And
it's
then-
over, then you turn off the bottles.
Then you turn off the bottles,
How do you
Yep.
turn the bottles off?
Just colors
Slide
down.
that collar thing?
slide the collar down.
What's in those bottles?
Well, it looks like very little.
Secret
Secret sauce?
I need to get Chris to order some rolls. Now, the other thing that we need to do is so The other thing to do when we do a test or we need to run it is to always check the oil.
That's right.
So the way to get in there is our fancy tool on a string. And then it just looks like a regular oil tester. The problem is it's kind of tight space. You got to kind of bring it up on an angle. And when you look at it, it's clear, but you can get the reflection and see if it's in those two lines on the bottom. So we're good? Can you tell?
I can't see from this angle. I see a little bit on the bottom, but
Yeah, I can see it shiny up there on top. It's just shiny.
Okay. Take your word for it. Do you want to wipe it down there?
Oh, we're good. And what I like to do is come back over here and
Log it.
log it. And I need new log paper. Mac's legacy still lingers because he set this up. And
Does it beep or something to know?
when it's done,
Yeah,
there's letters that are going across. Oh, it says, well, I'll cover that in a second. Date is 12/17.
17, yeah.
15. Check the oil level. Cal. The compressor. Now I'm going to put in the start was off of here 2, 3, 4.7. 2, 3, 4.7.
Is that an hour meter?
Yeah.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.7. So now I've got that there, and I did that. And now, coming back here, calibration complete. Press 1. Turn off the bottles. Slide the columns down. Okay, the bottles are turned off.
Did I miss anything?
I think we're good.
And so you just hit cancel, right?
Yeah, yeah, we're so we got another 90 days before we have to calibrate.
So what does that
So
do?
what, this was cancel?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that just puts some gases up in, and it tests, and there's somehow it tests it inside.
Like calibrates the
The
pressure?
no,
Or the,
oh no, it's the gas.
So it gets the right mix?
Well, no, so that it calibrates it so that let's say we run the vehicles in here and it's running. Now it gets its air from actually over there. It's piped all the way in. Okay, so but if it gets it'll test if we're putting in bad air, it's supposed to test that.
So this gives it kind of the baseline
the
on what the
baseline-
air should be.
Thank you.
That's
That's
where
what
they
I
have
put
the
it.
valve where it gets rid of all the oil. There used to be a valve back
There is, and I've been back there once before.
there. We need to bleed that every once in a while.
Every once in a while. I did it the other day. I did it probably 2 months ago, and there was quite a bit in there. But it's good thinking that we ought to think about.
Okay.